Tired of those pesky hard inquiries dragging down your TransUnion credit score? Let's get rid of them. First, carefully review your TransUnion credit report. You can get a free copy at Annual Credit Check to identify any hard inquiries you don't recognize or believe are inaccurate. Circle them for later reference. Next, draft a formal dispute letter to TransUnion. Be clear and concise. State the inquiry you are disputing, the reason for the dispute such as unauthorized or inaccurate, and request its removal. Include your full name, address, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number for verification. Gather any supporting documentation you have. This could include proof of identity like a copy of your driver's license or utility bill, and any documents that prove the inquiry is indeed inaccurate. For example, if you never applied for a credit card at a certain store but see an inquiry from them, providing a statement showing no account activity can help. Mail your dispute letter and copies of your supporting documents to TransUnion's dispute address. This address can be found on their website. It's crucial to send it via certified mail with return receipt requested. This provides proof that TransUnion received your letter. Now, patience is key. TransUnion has 30 days to investigate your dispute. During this time, they will contact the creditor who made the inquiry to verify its accuracy. If TransUnion finds the inquiry to be inaccurate or unverifiable, they will remove it from your credit report. You'll receive a notification of their decision if successful. Congratulations! Your credit score should see a boost. If not, you can explore other dispute options or even consider consulting with a credit repair professional. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more credit tips.